Is your Cedar Rapids home feeling warmer than it should? When Iowa's summer heat hits, a malfunctioning air conditioner can quickly turn comfort into frustration. That is where Novak Heating and Cooling steps in, offering expert air conditioning repair services across Cedar Rapids and eastern Iowa. Before calling for help, try these quick checks. Make sure your thermostat is set to cooling mode and the temperature is lower than the room. Check that your system's power switch is on and the circuit breaker has not tripped. Clean or replace dirty air filters and clear debris from the outdoor unit. If these steps do not solve the problem, it is time for professional help. Watch for warning signs like your home not reaching the set temperature, rising energy bills, excess humidity, or uneven cooling between rooms. These issues mean your air conditioner needs attention to restore comfort and efficiency. Prompt repairs prevent minor issues from becoming major, extend your AC's lifespan, and keep your energy bills in check. A well-maintained system also ensures healthier indoor air quality for your family. Novak's certified technicians deliver fast, reliable service, day or night. Since 1934, Cedar Rapids homeowners have trusted Novak for all their air conditioning needs. Request your repair today.